Wait a second. You won't see this coming. You can make this amazing cake without eggs or an oven.
Hey everyone! You know that the easiest and softest chocolate dessert can be made without using the oven and in just a few minutes.
We start by placing a saucepan over medium heat. Then we add 500 milliliters of milk, which is 2.5 cups. If you want, you can use whole milk, but you could use any plant-based milk, no problem. Here, we're going to add cocoa, pure cocoa powder, not to be confused with the kind used for breakfast. 2 tablespoons or 30 grams and the sweetener of your choice. If it's sugar, half a cup, in my case, a tablespoon and a bit of erythritol. I also add a cup of heavy cream, which you could substitute with coconut milk if you don't want to use cream. Mix very well, and as it heats up, you'll notice how the cocoa dissolves until you have a kind of smooth sauce. At that moment, add a teaspoon of agar-agar, about 6 grams, and keep stirring. When everything has been nice and hot for about 2 minutes, stop, because the agar-agar has already done its job. If you use another gelling agent, just follow the manufacturer's instructions. Here, add 150 grams or 3/4 of a bar of chopped chocolate that you like. The typical dessert chocolate will be perfect, and you stir again until it melts. Thanks to the residual heat, that will be easy. In a couple of minutes at most, the mixture is ready. All that's left is to put it directly into the mold you want to use. In my case, this round one that's 20 centimeters in diameter. We leave it inside, and once it's cooled a bit, put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Want to prepare it a day in advance? No problem at all. Then all you have to do is take it out, remove it from the mold, and enjoy. If you use a silicone mold like I do, just move it a little, flip it over onto the plate where you want to serve it, and you have this amazing dessert ready. Look at how amazing it looks! The shine, the color, how fresh it is, and the flavor! Do you want us to try a piece? I'm sure you'd like that.
The excitement begins in the kitchen.
Look at that huge piece. A creamy, soft, delicious dessert with a flavor that's wow. Chocolate, and the real pleasure is in enjoying it. It's much simpler than it looks. I'm sure you're getting excited to make it because when you see how I cut one piece after another,
Subscribe. Let's all share together.
It's a dessert you have to chew, but at the same time it melts in your mouth. I don't understand how I can like it so much. And if you're a chocolate fan, remember to add whatever you love.
With lots of cocoa.
If you like it really strong, or even with milk, just the way you like it best.